Sarangani, a province packed with tales, history, legacy, and resources, as well as the home of warm and inviting Sarangans. After a 2-year break from the pandemic, the MunaTo Festival and the province's founding anniversary are finally being commemorated. This year's festival strives to bring forth the rich diversity and the deeply rooted traditions of Sarangani province. Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Ako si Shanny Dane and this is BalaVlog. Bahalag mainitan, basta maka-vlog.
Kapay mo na to, Kusuran! Wow! Ako! MunaTo tayo! Kabalo ba ka? Kabalo ba mo?
Derived from Laan words, MunaTo, which means first people. The MunaTo Festival marks the history of the first inhabitants of the area around the Pinol Cave in Maitom town, where hundreds of anthropomorphic jars had been discovered. What makes it more remarkable is that no other region in Southeast Asia has made such a thorough archaeological discovery, suggesting that Maitom has a robust cultural foundation. Indeed, this event calls for a celebration. Unya, unsa pa man ang atong ginahulat? Join us as we explore the spectacular events and experience the unification of Sarangans through this festivity. Ikaw, ako, MunaTo tayo!
MunaTo, MunaTo, MunaTo.
The festival is indeed the embodiment of unity, as Governor Rogelio D. Pacquiao was appointed by Muslims as Datu Wali, or the protector and defender of Sarangani.
Sa Sarangani nagkakaugnay, iba't iba.
It was also jam-packed with activities for locals, visitors, and employees to enjoy. Mass dance. Teams from different municipalities have gathered for a mass dance competition to showcase their dancing prowess as well as glimpse of the history and traditions of their respective communities. Street Dance Competition. The street dancing competition featured 5 contingents, each of which performed in honor of a particular festival that represented their local culture. Motocross Competition. One of the festival's headliners is the much-anticipated motocross competition, which drew a big crowd and featured skilled riders from all over Mindanao competing on an off-road track. Pearl of Sarangani. 13 empowered women from the municipalities of Malungon, Malapatan, Kiamba, Maasim, Maitom, Glan, and Alabel competed for the title of Miss Pearl of Sarangani 2022. Other events included were Sarangani Got Talent, Battle of the Bands, Shooting Competition, National Dart Tournament, and Ronda Pintura. The legendary bands Q-Shay and Silent Sanctuary, as well as the content creator Thelma, performed at the concert to mark the end of the festivity. The MunaTo Festival was absolutely phenomenal, and it served as a genuine representation of how diversity transcends negativity and spurs opportunities.